Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore all things weather and climate. Today, we're going to delve into the 8 key differences between weather and climate, two terms that are often used interchangeably, but actually mean different things. Firstly, weather refers to the short-term conditions of the atmosphere, such as temperature, precipitation, and wind speed, while climate refers to the long-term patterns of weather in a specific region. Another difference is that weather can change rapidly within hours or days, while climate changes occur over a much longer timescale, typically decades or centuries. When it comes to forecasting, weather predictions are made for specific locations and short timeframes, whereas climate predictions are made for large areas and longer time periods. Weather observations are typically made using instruments at the Earth's surface or from weather satellites, while climate data is collected from multiple sources, including ice cores, tree rings, and historical records. Weather events are often localized and affect smaller areas, while climate events can impact large regions or even the entire planet. The next difference lies in the factors that influence weather and climate. Weather is primarily determined by atmospheric conditions, while climate is influenced by factors such as the sun, ocean currents, and Earth's tilt. One key distinction is that weather phenomena are more variable and can fluctuate daily or even hourly, whereas climate phenomena exhibit more consistent patterns over extended periods. Weather is highly unpredictable, whereas climate can be modeled and studied to discern long-term trends, making it more predictable. Lastly, weather impacts our daily activities and clothing choices, while climate affects long-term planning, agriculture, and even the distribution of ecosystems around the world. So there you have it, 8 key differences between weather and climate, helping us understand the complex dynamics of our atmosphere and the patterns that shape our planet.